Why everything you've been told about SEO is wrong. Let's dive into the first myth, the belief that keywords are the be-all and end-all of SEO. If you're still fixated on exact match keywords, it's time to rethink your strategy. Google has evolved. With AI like BERT, it's all about understanding user intent. Take a search for indoor gardening. Google isn't just looking for those exact words, it's figuring out if you need tips on low-light plants or how to use grow lights. This is why keyword stuffing is out. Instead, create content that dives deep into entire topics. Think of a content hub as a spider web, one main topic like indoor gardening, with branches to low-light plants and maintaining humidity levels. Each article links to the others, creating a rich resource. Use tools like Google Search Console to see what's already driving traffic and answer the public to uncover related questions. Sprinkle in related phrases naturally. Terms like low-maintenance houseplants and care tips for greenery show Google you're covering the topic comprehensively. Here's a real-world example. A gardening site focused on content clusters saw a 120% increase in organic traffic in just 6 months. Shift your mindset from individual keywords to broader intent and interlinked topics, and you'll stay ahead of Google's evolving algorithm. In the crowded digital landscape, simply publishing high-quality content isn't enough. You need to captivate your audience. Start by integrating multimedia, videos, infographics, and interactive tools. For instance, if you're sharing indoor gardening tips, include a quick video tutorial and an infographic with care tips. Next, leverage AI tools like ChatGPT to streamline your content creation. Use them for brainstorming or drafting, but always add your unique touch. And don't forget content upgrades. Offering a downloadable indoor plant care checklist can keep users engaged longer, improving your site's metrics. Take a cue from a food blog that transformed recipes into interactive cooking guides. They not only boosted traffic, but doubled their average time on site. The key takeaway? In a world of content shock, create an experience that resonates, not just information that informs. Did you know that nearly 50% of all searches are now voice-based? People are talking to their devices instead of typing, and this is reshaping SEO. Voice search queries are longer and more conversational. Instead of typing "best pizza New York," someone might ask, "Where can I get the best pepperoni pizza near me?" This means we need to optimize for natural language. The real game changer? Capturing position 0, the featured snippet that voice assistants read aloud. To optimize for voice search, start by writing for questions. Use tools like People Also Ask on Google to find what your audience is curious about. Next, implement schema markup. It helps search engines understand your content better, increasing your chances of appearing in voice search results. And remember, keep your answers clear and concise. Aim for 30 seconds or less, the average time it takes for a voice assistant to deliver a snippet. Take a local restaurant that optimized for voice search by including phrases like "best vegan pizza near me." Within 3 months, their traffic from voice searches doubled. Voice search and AI are here to stay, so preparing your content now sets you up for long-term success. Today, we've explored the evolution of SEO. Traditional keywords are out. It's all about understanding user intent. This means we need to create content hubs that truly address what our audience is looking for. Behavior signals like click-through rates and engagement are now crucial for rankings. So, let's optimize our meta descriptions and craft irresistible content that stands out in a crowded space. And remember, quality content isn't enough anymore. Incorporating videos and interactive elements is essential to captivate our audience and cut through the noise. With the rise of voice search, we must optimize for natural language and aim for that coveted position 0. SEO isn't dead, it's transforming. The winners will be those who adapt and innovate. Let's take these strategies, put them into action, and watch our rankings soar.